So I live in McCall, Idaho, and I'm gonna go over the top reasons why I really love living here. I could really move and do my job anywhere in the world, and I choose here, so now I'm gonna tell you why. The first reason is because McCall is a very small community, and I feel like we live in a bubble and we're isolated from really everything else that's going on in the world. So it doesn't matter what kind of craziness is going on out there, you know, we just have our McCall lifestyle. And that's one thing I really enjoy, and that I hope that as my kids get older, they'll look back and learn to appreciate about living here. Second reason that I love living in McCall is just the access to the outdoors. I mean, we have a lake, you know, from my house, I could just easily get to the lake, not a big deal at all. It would take less than 5 minutes. I could get on my mountain bike and do mountain bike trails just right out my backyard. We used to live in Colorado before, and traffic to get to the ski resort was so bad. Here, I mean, it takes us like 15 to 20 minutes to get to the ski resort in the winter. Or if I go on the cross-country skiing trails or skate skiing, it's so easy to get in and out. There's no wait, just the access to the outdoors is very easy. And that's one thing that I probably take for granted about living here, but that I really love. The third thing is that the schools here, they actually have really good ratings, and my experience with them is that I really enjoy them. Whenever my kids are being difficult, they can you know, create a system. We have great communication. They also offer lots of opportunities. So when the kids are interested in things and you let the school know, there are different opportunities for them, like in music or in soccer or volleyball. There's just so many different opportunities that the kids have here in McCall, and the schools really make that possible. Number 4 is the little ski hill, and I think that it gets its own number because there is a bus that picks up the kids after school and takes them to a ski hill in the winter. It's a positive, fun environment that is very safe and very wholesome for the kids to hang out there and get to learn how to ski and be able to enjoy that. And that's something that is very unique to McCall, and they don't offer it in other ski towns, and they don't offer programs like that I know of in many communities. So I think that alone is a really good reason to live in McCall, Idaho. So number 5 is just the restaurants that are around town and the food choices. We actually have some really good chefs that live in McCall, and they make amazing food dishes. And I'm so excited to see when they come out with, like, you know, special wine tour menu pairings and special events. They have, you know, occasionally they'll throw out some kind of special menu or stuff in the middle of the week. And that's something you can't plan to be here for an unplanned event, because like I've said before, the restaurants do have weird hours, but the food is amazing, and all the people that work at the restaurants, my husband and I do like to go out to eat quite a bit, and everybody's just so nice, and it's so much fun, and we're friends with so many of the people that work at restaurants around town. So that's another reason that I really like living here. So number 6, I would say, is there's little to no traffic most of the year. I guess the town center is based around the lake, and you can get to just about anywhere in 15 to 20 minutes. There's really not a lot of places that take longer than 15 to 20 minutes to get to. So it's just very, very little traffic and easy to get around. So the last one I would say are the views that we have. All the houses are really like individual style, one-off homes. We have a lake, we've got mountains. The views around town are amazing. If you can appreciate a good view, then you might want to move to McCall, Idaho. So these are the 7 reasons that I love living here, and that we don't really leave here that often because it has everything that we need. And so if you're thinking about moving to a place like this, or those are things that you're looking for, definitely give me a call. I'm happy to answer any questions, whether it's 2 weeks from now or 2 years. Just reach out.